Namaste. This is Dr. Rahul Satyanarayana, pharmacist and public health specialist. The COVID-19 has made the public aware of hygiene and health practices. The government machinery has made vast publicity in this regard. But an important link uh, in the chain missed is cough etiquette. Civilized people think that coughing in fists and sneezing in hands is correct. The advertisement visuals also show the same. But this practice spreads infection very much. In the outblow of COVID 19, the World Health Organization has issued an advisory on cough practice. It suggests elbow as suitable place, but it is incorrect. The appropriate place for coughing or sneezing is upper sleeve, not elbow. Government and health authorities should take note of this and modify the guidelines accordingly. Spread the message, share the video. Thank you.